Here's how to use Amazon Locker at checkout in 2025. Step 1. Just add the item you want to buy to your cart like normal. Hit the yellow Add to Cart button and head over to checkout. Now here's where the locker option shows up. If Amazon lockers are available in your area, you'll see a link under your shipping address that says something like Amazon locker near this address. Click that link and you can pick from the suggested lockers or search for one by address, zip code, landmark, or even the locker's name. Most lockers are in places like 7-Eleven or convenience stores. Once you select your locker, Amazon takes you to the delivery speed page. You'll usually see standard delivery, free with Prime, 2-day, or even same day in some areas. Pick the speed you want and hit continue. After that, just choose your payment method, review your order, and place it. Your package will now be shipped to the locker you chose. When it arrives, you'll get a code or a barcode to unlock it and pick up your stuff. And that's it. Super easy. If this helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more quick